Hello again. I'm not sure if we were able to finish, this is the bottom of page 2 on Unit 2, Section 1. I'm not sure if we were able to finish the bottom, but here it is. How can you tell how many solutions a linear system has? Well, it has to do with how many times the lines or the graphs intersect. So if they intersect only once, that means you only have one solution and the linear system is consistent. If the lines are parallel or they never intercept, that means there's no solution to that system and it's inconsistent. So we have 2 more questions on page 3. I'm going to start with the one on the left. I'm going to use blue for the top one, and it's going to be number 1. And then I'm going to use green, and it's going to be equation number 2. So I cannot graph. Well, I could, but I'm just going to solve for y, put it in the y-intercept form so I can easily graph. So this is my equation number 1, 2x minus 5y equals 10. So we're going to do minus 2x on both sides. I have negative 5y equals negative 2x plus 10. Now divide everybody by negative 5. Then I have 2 over 5x minus 2. Because negative 2 divided by negative 5 is positive 2 over 5. And 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. So that's in slope-intercept form. I can go ahead and come over here and graph. So the y-intercept is right there, negative 2. So negative 2 right there. The slope is 2 over 5, so I go up 2, 5 over. That's my first graph. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the second equation. So negative 4x plus 10y equals 40, plus 4x on both sides. I have 10y equals 4x plus 40. Divide everybody by 10. I want to pause right here. When I divide by 10, divide by 10, I have 4 over 10, but I need to simplify that fraction. So I can divide them evenly by 2. So I can simplify that fraction as 2 over 5x. And 40 divided by 10 is 4. Okay? Slope-intercept form. Y-intercept is right there at 4. The slope is right there, 2 over 5. So up 2 over 5. Okay. So right here, this is the same slope as that. When they have the same slope, the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, they will never intersect. If they don't intersect, there's no solution to this system. That means the system is inconsistent. Okay, we're going to number the equations again. First one in blue, the second one in green. Number 1 is the same one from over here. So I'm just going to copy that in the slope-intercept form so it's easy for me to graph. That was nice. So y-intercept is right there at negative 2. The slope is 2/5. Okay, now the second equation is different. So we need to go ahead and solve for y. So minus 2x on both sides. 2y equals negative 2x plus 10. divide everybody by 2. So negative 2x divided by 2 is negative 1x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 is the y-intercept. The slope is negative 1, so you go down 1 over 1. And we know at this point the answer to your system of equations is the point where they intersect. So in this case, the point of intersection is right there at that point. So this is the solution to the system. We have one solution, and that solution is that point, and that point is 5, 0. That's the solution. It's one solution, and it is consistent. I like when we have a solution just pretty like that, easy to understand, easy to solve.